In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a description box to your Typeform using a statement block. Start at your PC and open your preferred web browser. Head to typeform.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account to access your workspace. After you're in, you'll see your forms. Click the form you want to edit to open it in the builder. This takes you into the place where you control the content, order, and look of each step your respondents will see. Inside the builder, look for the button that says plus add content. This is your gateway to adding new elements to the form. Click it to open the content chooser. In the search bar that appears, type the word statement. You'll see an option labeled statement. Click that to add it to your form. The statement block is designed to display text only, which makes it perfect for descriptions, instructions, disclaimers, or section introductions. Once the statement block is added, you'll see a field labeled question/statement. Click into that field and type your description text. Think of this as your chance to set expectations or provide helpful context. For example, you might introduce the purpose of the form, explain how long it takes, or clarify what information respondents should have ready. Keep your language clear and reassuring, and aim for a length that's easy to read at a glance. Short paragraphs, simple sentences, and a friendly tone work best. As you write, remember that this block is not a question. It won't ask for input or force respondents to stop and answer. Instead, it appears as a readable description right in the flow of your form, so people can absorb the information and move on without any required action. That's especially useful at the start of a form, before a sensitive section, or when you need to explain a choice. If you want your description to be accessible, avoid all caps, keep contrast in mind with your chosen theme, and use plain language. A quick read through out loud can help you spot anything confusing or overly long. You can also use line breaks to make longer guidance easier to scan, and that's all you need to do. Open your browser, go to typeform.com and log in, select your form, click plus add content, search for statement, and enter your description in the question statement field. Your description box will now appear on the form without requiring an answer, giving your respondents the clear guidance they need while keeping the experience smooth and distraction-free.